Website.
Hey everybody, my name is Amy Kwan, your number Kwan voice in real estate. Today we're going to be talking over TRREB, Toronto Regional Real Estate Board statistics that happened in 2023, specifically in December of 2023, and also overall of it. I hope that this gives you a really good insight into what is happening in the history. Sure, history doesn't really tell us exactly what's going to happen in the future, but it's a great reference mark as to what has happened and what is likely to happen. So it is such a great indicator, especially in the new year. I really hope that you find use in it. Make sure you watch till the end of the video to figure out what you should do next. If you're thinking of buying, selling, leasing in the GTA area, make sure you reach out to me. I've got my information down below of my socials and the 30-minute one-on-one complimentary session that is given to you. So make sure you make a good use out of it. A lot of people have reached out to me and they've had great success with it, and I am helping them out get killer deals here. So let's not waste more time. Let's dive into it and let's look at the numbers. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at the Toronto Market Watch of December 2023. Okay, first things first, this is the data from Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, TRREB, and if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to them or reach out to me and we can chat. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the economic indicators. So the real GDP growth in 2023 third quarter is negative 1.1%. And as well, the Toronto employment growth has actually gone up in November 2023 by 3.6%. Unemployment rate has gone down by 6.6%. Inflation, the CPI growth is staying steady at 3.1% in November of 2023. The Bank of Canada overnight rate is at 5% in December 2023. Prime rate stayed flat at 7.2% in December of 2023. So that's around a lot of the prime rate there. Now, the mortgage rates of December 2023, the 1-year term is at 7.89%. You can see that it's declined. 3-year is staying the same at 7.24%. 5-year is at 7.04%. All right, and then right here, Toronto, Ontario, January 2024, there is saying here, so this is the overall stats. So with a high borrowing cost coupled with unrealistic federal mortgage qualification standards, does result in unaffordable home ownership market for many households. With that being said, relief seems to be on the horizon. Borrowing costs are expected to trend lower in 2024. Lower mortgage rates coupled with a relatively resilient economy should see a rebound in home sales this year. This year is in 2024 now. That is what the TRREB president, Jennifer Pierce, has mentioned. There were 65,982 home sales reported through TRREB in 2023, which is a 12.1% dip compared to 2022. Mind you, we did see a little bit of an uptick from the spring and the summer months, first half of the summer months this year, and the number of new listings also declined in 2023. So with the less number of listings, that is the reason why it was able to stay flat to a little bit of a decline, not so much of a big decline or a big effect to this economy. There were 65,900. I've already said that, so we're going to go on to the next one. Okay, the average selling price for all home prices in 2023 was $1,126,604, representing 5.4% decline compared to 2023. So that's also very interesting. Buyers who were active in the market benefited from more choice throughout 2023. They were able to negotiate lower selling prices, alleviate some of the impact of higher borrowing costs. Assuming borrowing costs will trend lower this year, look for tighter market conditions to prompt renewed price growth in the months ahead. And that is what Jason Mercer has said, who is the TRREB chief market analyst. Record immigration into the GTA in the coming years will require a corresponding increase in the number of homes available to rent or purchase. People need to have a comfort in knowing that they can plan their lives and future with the certainty that they will have a stability of an affordable place to live. And that is the CEO of the TRREB, John DeMichel. So this is very interesting. So overall, what they are summarizing here is that yes, we can see that compared to last year, the prices of homes have gone down. However,
make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated in this real estate market,
especially pertaining to the lower mortgage interest rates, and that they believe that they will see increase in demand, which will positively impact the prices. Not only that, they will also see that with the record immigration, people are going to need shelter and housing. And with that, they will see higher rents and they will see higher home prices. All right, let's take a look at just this little graph here. So December of 2022, it was 3,093 sales activity. December of 2023 is 3,444. So more sales have happened in this year, this previous month of December. Average price TRREB MLS has shown that December 22, we were at 1,050,569. December of 2023, we saw that the average price is at 1,084,692. So we did see an increase in the MLS TRREB average price. All right, let's go over to these graphs here. So sales and average price by major home type. So this is very important to note because you can take a look at, let's say that you have a condo apartment. What does it mean? What does it do compared to last year? And what should I plan? Should I move on to a bigger house? Like, this is a great way to look at it. I do want to mention though, not all these homes are going to be same as your unit. So it's going to be different as to the major home type and how it's going to affect your particular unit. So if you want to chat about that, let's connect. But I want to give you this graph and let you know that this might be a good indicator. But let's dive into it. So December of 2023, the detached home sales with the area codes of 416 and 905, you can see that the total was 1,521. Semi-detached, we are at 324, townhouses 623, condo apartments 944. So detached sold the most, and then we went to condo apartment, and then we went to townhouse, and then to semi-detached. Average prices, the detached home is at 1.418 thousand and 323. Semi-detached is at 1,027,432. Townhouse is at 912,403. Condo apartment is at 682,525. Now let's look at that in relation to last year. So year over year change, detached is the number of sales have gone up by 13.6%. Semi-detached has gone up again by 36.7%. Townhouse is at 19.8%. Condo apartment has gone down by 1.4%. Let's look at the average price compared to last year. The detached home has gone up by 2.5%. Semi-detached has gone up by 1.7%. Townhouse has gone up by 5.5%.
That subscribe button is waiting to be pressed.
And
Do
condo
it now
apartment
before you
has
forget
gone
again.
down
Winky
by
face.
3.1%. So that means that maybe condo apartment buying might not be the worst idea, but you know that is really depends on your situation. Year over year summary, you can see The number of sales has gone up by 11.5%. The new listings are going down by 6.6%. Active listing is up by 19.3%. Average price has gone up by 3.2%. Average number of days on the market has, as you can see, increased. All right, the next few here that we can see, these basically show you, it's a great way to tell all TRREB areas and their whole situation, because every market is very different. It is really hard to tell, and by saying, when people ask me how's the market, it really depends. If you want to talk about C12 is so different from CO3, and there's different home areas and the types, and depending on whether it's renovated and if it's not, everything really is in different perspectives. So I can't really tell people how the market is unless I know exactly which one you're talking about. But it's a very interesting topic, definitely, to talk about. If you want more information on the things that I just scrolled, please reach out to me. I would be more than happy to provide that for you. Fill out the form down below and I'll connect with you. All right, let's look at the last page. So the first page and the last page I find really helpful, especially for doing an overview. Let's do it. So historically, the annual statistics are here. So 2011, do you remember? This would have been so great. Average price was at $464,989. That is a good home price. It went up, kept on going up. And it didn't stop. In 2018, it went down a little bit, but then it picked back up again and started going up again, starting 2020 and then 2021. And then this is a stat for 2022, which is at 75,000, so less homes sold than all the other years, as you can see, 75,047. And average price has gone up. It's the highest it's ever been, at 1,190,749. Now, monthly stats of 2023, yes, the home number of the sales have gone down to 65,982, but the home prices and also the home prices have gone down as well, just by a little bit. 1,260,604. So looking at that honestly is where everything is. It is very, very interesting to see this annual statistics, especially the fact that, yes, even though we keep on saying the market is crashing, or people have believed that, I've had multiple people, I do have multiple people that call me or talk to me and say, the market's crashing, when do you think the next crash is? You know, I don't know. But historically, like we've mentioned before, we are pretty resilient. The home prices in Toronto seem to be quite safe. Although this is not a financial advice, I don't really want you to take everything because I am not a financial advisor. However, from my expertise, I do believe that if you invested in the right place, right location, right property, then it might not be the worst investment to make. If you want to chat more about that, I am all ears. I am happy to connect with you. So go ahead and book a 30-minute consultation down below, and I would be more than willing to chat with you. Thank you so much for watching. And if we're talking about what you should do next, it is not an easy answer, because I really don't know what you're going through. I really don't know who even you are. I'm just so glad that you're watching my video. But if you want to take the next step into getting wealthy, building a family, building your empire, then you have to start somewhere. And this is your calling. You have to start. You can't just hope that something changes or something happens. You make your own future. And I am your number one realtor that hopefully can lead you there. So do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm looking forward to chatting with you. my phone, myself is there for you whenever you need me. So go ahead and book a call with me, and I would be more than happy to chat with you. So go ahead, scroll down below. First of all, there's a couple of things to do. Number 1, subscribe. Number 2, like. Number 3, comment. And number 4, most importantly, connect with me outside of YouTube. You're going to get so much value out of it. I'm looking forward to our chat soon, and cheers. We'll see you soon. Bye.